Welcome back everyone, it's Prajwal from Coding Crunch and today we are going to build a very simple HTML and CSS mini project which is an go to explore product page which is having the video as a background and the small little hover effect on the button. So which is you can see on the screen right now. So let's get started, but before getting started, please subscribe to my channel because I am new for the YouTube and it means a lot. And let's get started. But if you like the content, please like and share this video. So let's get into HTML folder. So let's get into our VS Code as usual. So here I'm having CSS, HTML and video folder which you can see on the side of the screen, and in the HTML folder I'm having project.html, and in the CSS folder I'm having style.css, and I'm having the video which I'm going to put as a background for the web page. So let's get into project.html. Let's use the emit. So let's link the style.css for this HTML file. Link.css. Let me give the path for the CSS file. Yeah, that's it. We linked the style.css file on here. Let's get into body tag. Let's create a class named as project. And in the project class, let me insert another class with the name of nav or a logo. Let me insert the name with the logo on here. Yeah, logo will be perfect. And in the logo, I'm inserting the text of h1 and the text name is Capturoid. CAPTURED or void actually, sorry. And again let's get back into project class and let's create another class with the name of video. Oh sorry, should we need this video background or a class? I don't think so. Let me remove this video class on here. And let's insert the video without a class. Let's give the path for the video. And let's insert some features for the video. What should we need? As usual, loop. And we need autoplay. Yes, we need autoplay, which will play automatically after the end of the video. It will play from start. So let's get back into project class. We are actually in the project class actually, sorry. So let's create an section on here. Section. And in the section I need an h1 on here. So in the h1 I need the text captures PTUR. So after h1 I need a paragraph tag, and in the paragraph Let me insert the text. Captures the, I don't need, yeah, captures every little exotic, what should we need? Should we need this tag or tagline? Yes, I think so. We need captures every little exotic moments. I think it will be better, right? Let's get back into the page actually. What did we enter on here? So we are having captures every little exotic moment of life. So let's insert the text only. We don't need any modified text. Every little exotic moments of life. That sounds so good, right? And after paragraph tag, we need a button. So let's create another class or an anchor tag. Let's create an anchor tag actually. Yes, we need anchor tag. So let me enter the hash and let's name this anchor tag with the class name of button. And in the anchor tag I need the text. Let's get back into our prepared project. What are we having here? Explore our products. Obviously it's and go to explore product page. So we are having every little content which is present in the prepared project. What are we having? The logo which I named as Capturoid and the text which I entered as captures every little exotic moment of life and the small little button. So let's open it in a live server. So we are having this thing. Let's style this HTML file. So let's get back into style.css. Padding 0, margin 0, box sizing as border box. So here in the prepared project we are having a font family client for every font. So I am selected the Roboto font in which I need this thing, third one. So let's import this font. So let's click on select this style. Beside import, let's go to link. Let's copy this link on here. Control C and let's get back into project.html and let's paste this link in the header tag. Control V. Let's save it. and let's copy this font family. And let's go for style.css. So this font family will apply for every single font which is present in the HTML file. So let's style the project class on here. So I'm giving the width for the project class as 100% and the height as 100 VH. And I need the position as absolute. And the overflow as done. Overflow has done. So let's save it and let's open it in a live server. Let's go to the document. So here we are having the overflow as a hidden on here. So let's get into the class logo. I'm giving the width as auto and height is also auto. And the position as relative. And let me align it top 30 pixel and from the left I need 30 pixel. Let's save it. Yeah, it's aligning. Let's give some letter spacing for this logo. Letter spacing as 3 pixel. It's enough actually. So let's see. It's taken the letter spacing. So let's style the video on here. So we are not having the class name for the video or anything for the class name. Anything like ID or something like that. Yeah, it's not having the any ID or something like class name for this video. So let's style this. Video. Let's give the width for this video. Width as 100%. Sorry, it took something else. Spelling mistake. Or it's a fault of Emit, I think. And height as 100%. Let's save it and let's open it in a live server. Yeah, it's aligned in the middle. So let's give the position as absolute and the top 0 and the left 0, and let's get into live server on here. So it's not fitting for the all over the page actually. So what should we need on here? I think we have to insert the object fit. Yeah, I think so. Let's insert that object fit as cover. Let's open it in a live server. Yeah, now the video has fit so well for the web page, but every text in the web page has disappeared. So what should we supposed to enter, or what should we style so that it can appear on the web page? So we should enter the z-index. So let's get into logo tag or logo class, and let's insert the z-index index as 10, and let's save it and let's open it in a live server. So it's appearing well. So let's give the color for the text actually. So let's give the color as white. Wow, white smoke, white smoke. Let's enter the white smoke. Yes, let's open it in a live server. Wow, it's appearing so well. So let's style the text on here. So to style the text, I'm taking the section. So for in this section, at first we have to style h1. Let's give the width width 50% and the height as auto, and we should insert the position as relative, what's happening, it's not coloring well. It's relative, and let's insert the z-index as 10, and let's give the color for the text white smoke. Let's save it and let's open it in a live server. Yeah, it's overlaying on the logo. So we should align it well. Top, sorry, somewhere between 20 VH. Let's open it in a live server. Yes. And from the left, somewhere like 20%. Yes. And let's give the font size for this text. Font size as 30 pixels, and let's give the letter spacing as 3 pixels. Should we need letter spacing? Yes, I think so. And what should we need? Let's save it and let's open it in a live server. We should align bit. Yes, I think 10% is enough. No, 5%. Yes, it's appearing well. Let's align the top as 30 VH actually. As 30 VH is enough. Let's style the paragraph tag in the section. Width as auto. And the height as auto. And beside giving the position as relative, let me get into the section tag again. And let's copy this text on here. Sorry, styling text. Let's copy it and let's remove this from here. Let's paste it over here. Save it and let's open it in a live server. So here I'm having the text. So let's copy this thing also from here. Let's copy it. Let's remove it from here. Let's paste it. So let's see. Yes. So let's increase the letter spacing little bit. Somewhere between 10 pixel is enough. And letter, I don't think. What should we insert to make it as uppercase? Yes, it's a text transform, not a letter transform. Text transform as uppercase. Beside inserting the font size as 30 pixel, let's insert the Font size in the RAM, like somewhere between 3 RAM, as 3 RAM is enough. 3 RAM. Let's open it in a live server. Yes, it's appearing so well. Let's make it as a full screen, and let's style the paragraph tag. Let me give the color as white smoke. Color as white smoke. White smoke. And the font size as 2 RAM is enough. Yes, 2 RAM. Let's insert the font size in the RAM only. Font size as 2 RAM, and the letter spacing as 5 pixels, as 5 pixels is enough. So let me open it in a live server. Oh, there is a mistake. Let's save it. Let's open it. Yeah, it's appearing so well. Let me decrease the width little bit on here, like somewhere between 40%, so that, yeah, it's not appearing so well. Let's give the width as 90%. Yes. What about 80? Let's see in 80%. Yeah, now it's appearing well, I think. So let's design the button. So for button, we are having the anchor tag, which I named the anchor tag with the class name was button. Sorry, button actually. Yes, button. So let me style the button first. Let's take the width as 30%, not as 30. Let's remove the width. Let's not insert the width on here. Let's remove the text decoration because it's an anchor tag, so that we have to remove the color. Text decoration as none, so that we can remove the border bottom and the color from the text. Yes, let's give the another color, white smoke only, I think. No, color as black, and padding top as 20 pixel and left as 10 pixel. Let's copy it. Oh, so sorry, we should not copy this. We have to give the background for this. Background as should white smoke. Background color as white smoke, and the border as 2 pixel solid. I need 2 pixel solid, and the color as white smoke only. White smoke. Yeah, that's it. Let's save it and let's open it in a live server. Yes, it's appearing so well, but it's not taking the padding actually. So we should remove this padding and we have to enter in the way like padding top as 20 pixel and padding left as 10 pixel and the padding right as 10 pixel and the padding bottom as 20 pixels. Yes, that's it. Let's give the font size for the text on there. I need the font size somewhere between 2 rem is enough, I think. Font size as 2 rem. Let's save it and let's open it in a live server. Wow, it's appearing so large. So I should decrease the size of the font. So for that I have to give in a pixels. Let's open it again in the live server. I think I should decrease the padding on top and bottom. So for top and bottom padding I should give 10 pixel and 10 pixel. Yes, that's it. Let's open it in live server again. Yes, it's appearing well, but we should add the margin. Margin as top. Yes, I need top. Margin top as 20 pixels so that it can come little bit down. Let me increase a bit more as 50. Let's get into live server. It's not applying. So what should we supposed to do to apply the margin for that button? So let's remove the margin from the button class and let's get into section and P paragraph tag. Let's try to add the margin on here. Margin bottom, we have to give the margin in the bottom because it's a text. Bottom. Margin bottom as 20 pixel I think. Yes, we need 20 pixel of margin. Yeah, it's took. So it has taken the margin. We have give the margin for this paragraph tag and it's took the margin and it's applied beside the text, beside this text. So let's get back into VS Code and let's give the hover effect for the button. Hover. I need the letter spacing as 3.5 pixels and the background as transparent and the color of the text as white smoke. White smoke. Let's save it and let's open it in a live server. Yeah, it's taking the hover effect, but we should add the transition on here. So let's get back into button class. Let's add the transition for all. We should give the transition for everything in the button class with the time limit of 0.8 seconds or 0.8 seconds. It's a bit slower. Let's decrease the time limit for 3. Yeah, now it's appearing well, but let's give the letter spacing for the text in the button somewhere between 3 pixels. Letter spacing as 3 pixels as now the button size has increased and now it's looking well also. Let's get back into HTML file. We need 3 dots in this way, like have to give some space so that it will look like something this. Yes, now it's looking so well. Yes, that's it for today guys. I think it's appearing so well, but we have to give some font weight for the button text, I think. So let's give some font weight for this text in the button. Let's get back into style.css and let's try to give some font weight for this text. Font weight, GHT font weight somewhere between 500 I think. Yes, let's save it. Yes, now it's appearing well, and let's increase the margin for the button. It should come little bit down, so let's increase the margin on here like somewhere between 25 pixels I think. Yes, 25 pixels is enough actually. Yes, now it's appearing so well. Yes, that's it for today guys. It's appearing so well I think. If you like the video, please share the video and like the video also. And please subscribe guys. It's my new channel actually.